Hello, how are
Hi,
you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm great.
Good, good. What's your name?
I'm Sultan Ahmed Khan from Saudi Arabia.
Hi, Sultan. My name's Syra. I'm from England. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, so tell me a little bit more about you. Sort of introduce yourself to me. Tell me more about you and what you do and what you like doing with your free time, what your hobbies and interests are.
As I told you, I'm an English teacher.
Mhm.
I came here 1 year ago, and before that, in Pakistan, I was teaching English. I taught in university, college, schools,
Mhm.
and I'm married, and I'm living here with my wife, with my family.
Yeah.
And in my spare time, I like to read books, but these days I don't get much time
Mhm.
because we are having online classes.
Mhm.
We have to go to school, and from school, we give online classes to our students.
Yeah.
So that's all.
Okay, and so is your wife enjoying Saudi Arabia as well?
Yes.
Yeah,
She she came here 2 months ago.
nice. So it's a nice change of scenery for her.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you said you like to read books. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like motivational books,
Yeah.
self-development books.
Yeah. Have you ever read a book called The Alchemist?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. I
Yes.
thought you would have. It's quite a popular book. I never finished it. I read it so many years ago and I don't really remember what happened. I just remember really enjoying it and thinking I need to read this again, and read it properly. But I've heard so many good things about it.
Yes, it is a very interesting book, and actually, I have read it twice. I read it almost 2 years
Yeah,
ago first,
yeah.
and then I read few months ago again.
Wow, so it must be really good then.
Yes, it is.
I'll prioritize it. I'm going to prioritize it because it's only a small book. I feel like it would only take me a couple of days to read it. I
Yes.
have a lot of free time at the moment because I recently left my other
Hmm.
job. So I will try to read more. I have many books that I haven't finished reading. So
Hmm.
I will try to read The Alchemist this week. So, okay, and what made you want to become an English teacher? Why did you become an English teacher?
Maybe it is because of the environment,
Yeah.
because my sisters were also teaching at that time, so I decided to choose the same profession.
Yeah.
And when I started teaching, I was also doing my graduation.
Yeah.
So that was the only profession which could give me some extra time to study.
Mhm.
So I used to teach in the morning and went to my university in the evening shift.
Yeah. Okay.
So that is how I started, and then I continued it. Although I quit my job and worked as an senior office assistant
Mhm.
in one of the university in Pakistan,
Mhm.
and after doing job there for 2 years, I was appointed as a lecturer. I again came to the same profession.
Mhm. Okay. And which city in Pakistan are you from?
Karachi.
Oh, okay. Interesting. That's one of the places I was going to visit. I wanted to visit
Hmm.
Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad.